Charith was a young boy from a small, beautiful village surrounded by green fields and rivers. Every morning, Charith would wake up early, help his family in the fields, and then walk miles to a small school. He was hardworking, honest, and full of dreams. But inside his heart, Charith carried a heavy sadness. He often felt life was unfair. He saw many others who were richer, stronger, and more successful. No matter how hard he tried, he always felt left behind. One evening, sitting by the river, Charith looked at the setting sun and whispered, "Why is my life so difficult? Why does success stay far away from me?" An old villager saw his sadness and told him, "Far beyond the hills, there lives a wise Rishi Muni. He knows the answers to the deepest questions. If you seek guidance, go and meet him." Without wasting a moment, Charith decided to go. He packed a small bag, carried some food, and began his long journey. He walked through forests, crossed rivers, and climbed hills. His feet hurt. His body was tired. But his heart was full of hope. After 2 days, Charith finally reached a small hut under a giant banyan tree. An old Rishi Muni with a long white beard and glowing eyes sat silently, meditating. Charith folded his hands and said, "Respected Guruji, I have come from far away. I work hard, but success never smiles at me. Others are faster, smarter, richer. What should I do? Please guide me." The Rishi Muni opened his eyes slowly and smiled warmly. He said, "Sit down, my child. Listen carefully." Rishi Muni continued, "Life is like a field. Some seeds grow fast. Some seeds take time. But every seed, if cared for with love, grows into a strong tree." Charith listened with deep attention. Rishi Muni said, "First, stop comparing yourself to others. A mango tree cannot become a banana tree. And it doesn't need to. Your journey is your own." Charith nodded silently. Rishi Muni then gave 3 simple tips. First, he said, "Believe in small daily efforts. 1 page of study today. 1 honest work today. Small drops make an ocean." Second, he said, "Protect your heart from jealousy. When you see someone succeed, bless them. Say, 'May you grow more.' When you bless others, you invite blessings into your life." Third, he said, "Never give up because you cannot see quick results. The bamboo tree spends years growing roots underground before it rises to the sky. Work silently. Your time will come." Charith felt like a heavy weight lifted from his heart. The Rishi Muni smiled again and said, "Remember, your true competition is not with others. It is with the Charith of yesterday." Charith touched the feet of the sage and said, "Thank you, Guruji. Today, you have given me new eyes to see my life." With a lighter heart, Charith walked back to his village. He no longer worried about others. He focused on his daily actions, his kindness, his learning. Days turned into months. Charith became stronger, wiser, and happier. Small successes came. New opportunities opened. And slowly, very slowly, Charith became a light for others in his village. He often smiled remembering the words of the wise Rishi Muni. "My race is only with myself." And he lived a beautiful life 1 step at a time, 1 day at a time.